Welcome to WKP. Today we're going to be tracking Hurricane Eta, which has winds right now of 120 miles per hour. Eta is a major Category 3 hurricane, and Eta is expected to further intensify and bring heavy storm surge, a lot of rainfall, and landslides to areas with higher terrain. Eta right now, as you can see, has formed a quite nice looking eye and is looking quite compact, so further intensification is possible. Here's the intensity guidance for Eta, and as you can see, most models are peaking Eta around a Category 3 hurricane, which Eta already is, and a few models are taking Eta to a Category 4 strength. Now it's looking like we could be seeing Eta make landfall as a Category 4 because Eta is already Category 3 strength. Here's the official track line for Eta. Some models are still trending to Eta going back out over the Pacific, but the more likely thing we're going to be seeing is Eta recurving back out over the Caribbean, which is the worst case scenario because in this area, conditions are quite favorable for development and will likely see Eta re-strengthen and pose a threat for Cuba, possibly, I don't think, but possibly Jamaica and partly in the US. So we need to keep an eye on the US and Cuba once Eta, if Eta recurves. So here's the official track line for Eta, and as you can see, Eta is going to be a major hurricane on landfall, likely Category 4 strength. And as you can see, hurricane warnings issued in that area. We're going to be seeing Eta move in overland and quickly weaken. Eta is going to be moving very, very slow overland, dumping plenty of rain on land. And as you can see, we're going to be seeing that recurve now officially shown on the official track. The key messages for Eta are saying that you need to complete preparations today and you need to evacuate. Basically, you need to evacuate today if you live in the area where there is a hurricane warning. It's going to be making landfall quite soon. We're going to be seeing heavy rainfall from Eta, catastrophic, life-threatening flash flooding, and river flooding across portions of Central America, and landslides in areas with higher terrain. We need to keep an eye on flash flooding and river flooding in areas of Jamaica, southeast Mexico, El Salvador, southern Haiti, and the Cayman Islands, and a potentially catastrophic and life-threatening storm surge, along with battering waves, is expected along portions of the northeastern coast of Nicaragua, near and to the north of where the center makes landfall. Water levels could reach as high as 12 to 18 feet. So preparations to protect life and property should be rushed to completion. Please evacuate if you're in the area where the storm is. Here's what the models are showing. GFS is showing landfall, as you can see, in Nicaragua, recurving, and then basically tootling around, reforming, and making landfall in Florida. And we could also be seeing some effects in Cuba and Jamaica. Here's the H-Wharf model, and as you can see, landfall with pressure of around 942 millibars, which I actually think is quite likely as of now because we already see Eta is very, very strong. We're going to be seeing Eta quickly weaken and then possibly recurve back out over water and then possibly reform a bit more. Thank you for watching. This has been WKP. Please stay safe and stay tuned. I'll be updating you on this storm quite often since it's looking like it will be affecting a lot of land. Thank you for watching. This has been WKP.